miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Donmily Hair. Look, y'all, I'm still eating chicken. Look how greasy my box is. We have worked with them in the past and we have loved them. If you look in that description box, I'll put a direct link to this wig. You should see a coupon code down there. The details on this wig out there. But before you get there, you'll see that subscribe button. Click it. I'm trying to get to 50K by my birthday. All I did was take this out of the shipping packaging because, you know, I like to open this with y'all. So let's see what they got going. Ooh, color. Oh, with this blue shirt, that might be a bop. Not only did they send the wig, like always, they sent us a few goodies. And inside this bag, you are going to get, whoever get it off Posh, some eyelashes, some clips, wig caps, and a scarf, okay? These little extras matter, because like I always say, you about to sell your kidney to get this wig. Why not have some clips to go with it? All right, y'all. I'm gonna read directly off here, but like I said, if you look in that description box, you'll see everything you need to see. This is an 18-inch body wave in the color 88J. Y'all, this color is a bop. I absolutely love this 88J. And it's a body wave. Sorry, I'm dropping stuff. And it's a, and look, it's a lace part, which means this is gonna be super, super, super easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It ain't gonna take me long at all. All right. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and then you get a lace parting space. What that means is you aren't gonna have to glue. You ain't gonna have to, like, got to be, you ain't gonna need none of that. It's gonna be super easy, okay? Before I cut that little strip off, let's just look, yeah. And that at 18 inches is gonna be so cute. But you don't have to wear it in the center. You know, you could shift it over here and wear it to the right. You could even shift it and wear it to the left, okay? I'm gonna wear it in the middle. Let me cut off this little bit ass lace. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Y'all, look at the highlights and lowlights in this. Oh, that's that string from where I cut that thing off. Ooh. This wig was super cute, super easy. I absolutely love the construction and everything of this wig. I just wish it was in black because this color for me, but this color is gonna be a bop for somebody. Like every time I review it, I'm like, dang, that's a pretty color, but I know I would never wear it. But the wig itself is absolutely gorgeous, super easy. Of course, no shedding, no tangling, but this is it straight out of the pack. I threw a few curls in there. And this is what we got. I can definitely recommend that you pick this one up. But that's just about every wig, not just about. Literally, that's every wig that we've gotten from Donmily here. We really, really like them, and I think we will continue to work with them. This is so cute. If you're like me, you like the construction of this wig, and you like the ease of this wig and the affordability, because it's really affordable, know that they make this wig in black. They make it in the 27, they make it in the 99J as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And I don't think that the color looks bad on me. It's just not a color for me, if that makes sense. But definitely recommend it. Like I said, look in the description box. Be sure to use my coupon code. Like I tell you all the time, maybe you're not into wigs, not air. I hope you are in the air. I'm thinking about my air fryer. I got hot wings in there. Maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Tasha. Maybe it's your Uncle Thomas. Whichever one, send them me and Donmily hair away and we will get them right. Soup, easy, easy, easy. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.